Hello, lovely people. It's another beautiful day, and I am back with another super recipe. This is millet drink, popularly known as Zonkom here in Ghana. Now, let me share with you how to make this at home. If you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome. Do you still remember our spiced millet flour? Now let's use that to make our zonkom. In a bowl, I add in 2 cups of the spiced millet flour. To that, I add water and then turn this into a dough form. Now I'll go ahead and cover this and allow it to rest overnight. Good morning, it's the next day. Let's continue our unfinished business. So to the dough, I add water and then I stir all to combine. Next, you will need a chiffon cloth or a cheesecloth to do the straining, or you can also use just a strainer to do this. You can even decide not to strain your drink. That one is your choice, but I love to strain mine, okay? Then I squeeze out the water. After that, I'll discard the chaff. I don't need that. Here I add my sweetener and I'm using sugar. If you don't like sweet, you can omit this part, okay? So I go ahead and start to dissolve the sugar, and guys, our millet drink is ready. No fire, no heat, as simple as that. To take your drink to the next level, get a bowl, add in some ice cubes or ice block, and then you gently pour your millet drink on it, and then you go ahead and serve it with your loved ones. All right. You can also serve yourself in a drinking glass like this. Add some ice cubes to it. Get your drinking straw and then enjoy. Cheers to goodness. I hope you give this recipe a try. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you on my next video, stay blessed. Bye.